At 21, life is full of fun. Parties, drinks, movies, and travel, and you should enjoy it. But imagine this. While you're living your best life, you're also quietly building a future that will reward you with 2 lakh rupees or more in just 10 years. How? Through the simple act of saving. Let's break it down. If you set aside just 1000 rupees a month, less than what you might spend on a weekend out, and invest it in a secure financial instrument that gives an average return of 7%, after 10 years, you'd have around 1,73,085 rupees. That's money you didn't even realize you were saving while you were enjoying your life. And here's the kicker. This is just the start. As you get older, start earning more or cut back on small luxuries, you can up the ante. Whether it's 2,000 rupees or 5,000 rupees a month, the more you invest, the more you'll have before big life events like getting married or settling down. Some simple ways to make this happen are through fixed deposits, FDs. They give you guaranteed returns without any risk, perfect for steady growth. Government bonds. Safe and reliable, these give you a predictable income over time. Public Provident Fund, PPF, a great long-term investment with tax benefits, helping you grow your wealth with the power of compounding. But here's what's crucial. Don't lose out on time. The earlier you start, the more you'll gain. Every year you wait is a year you're missing out on growth. A year where compounding isn't working in your favor. The longer your money has to grow, the bigger your returns. So start today. The science of making money starts with just 1000 rupees and the decision to think ahead. Time is your greatest ally. Make the most of it. And if you're a parent with a teenage child or your child has just got their first job, share this video with them. It could open their minds to the importance of early saving and set them up for a future of financial security. Imagine the huge confidence booster of seeing your patience and discipline paying off. There's no better feeling than knowing you've set yourself up for success.